Hey there planners, welcome to the channel, Creating with Sarah. So today's video I have for you a fun holiday plan with me in my Erin Condren A5 compact vertical. And we're going to be using this beautiful sticker kit from Simply Gilded. So if you guys want to check out this plan with me, then keep on watching. So hey there planners, welcome to the channel. I'm Sarah, all things creating, planning, keeping things fun and functional here on my planner channel. So glad that you're here. So I hope you'll stick around. In today's video, we're gonna plan out in a weekly view in the Erin Condren compact vertical. We're gonna have fun with it. It is Christmas week. I wish everyone a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So, all right, let's just go ahead and get started. I am planning a little early. I wanted to be able to sit down and plan out a Christmas fun weekly spread. And especially these stickers. I have been waiting to use these. They're just so cute. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Okay, so for the weekly spread, this is just like a prep weekly view for me, and I prep out, well, it's going to be different since we're all on holiday break, so this may be a different type of plan with me. Well, we shall see. I typically do top 3 things that I need to get done. Then I get a box of like the highlight of the day, and that could be anything really, even if it's an appointment of some sort. And then I do meal plans in the weekly view. I don't do it in my daily planner. So that's something you can switch out, whichever works better for you. It's kind of like a planner combo, if you will, for me. I have the daily and a weekly view. So yeah, I kind of just like want to just play with holiday Christmas stickers. And so I'm not really doing the functional part really well right now because I'm thinking, oh, I just want to play with these stickers. But yeah, so we're on holiday break, so it's not going to be like my typical week. So we'll see how this plan with me goes. This doesn't have like a, no, okay. So we will get to use washi. Okay, so I put washi over these lines here. And then last time I did think I said that I would want to cover one side up that says December. So I'm going to white out this December side. I cannot believe we're already to the end of the year. Where did this time go? Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Okay. So let's pick out some washi. Ooh, which one? Okay, I think I have... Oh no, this metallic one is just so pretty. There's also the scallop one. I think it's in here. Should probably take these out. I was using these to plan with. I pretty much like pick for my washi stand when I go prep, or if I want to add some extra washi or stickers to my planner when I go and check them off and look at them for the day. I take it downstairs, so I take my planner bags with me and I just like kind of pop some washi in my bag as I go. Okay, we have Christmas lights, we have presents and scallops and just all the fun, pretty holiday washi. I want to try to use this scallop one if I can find the opening. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, last time I had to put that underneath because I think I used this for when we went to Disney. Let me check. Yeah, here it is, the pretty metallic green one. So I can put that under there. Then we can layer it with this skinny one with the presents maybe. That should, this one or the gingerbread. Has to be a small one. I think the gingerbread would work. What I'm gonna do first is lay down my washi. Okay, I've laid my washi down. It's so cute, and I did cover up the days of the week because I forgot that Simply Gilded has headers. So I also had to pull this sticker book. I forgot I had. It's Agenda 52, numbers and days. So I was like, oh, but I need numbers, and I couldn't think off the top of my head what I had for that. So I know she does dates, but I thought I had one. I have a gold set. I don't know where it is. But yes, we have headers here. So I think I'm going to go with green. Place these down. Actually, yeah, I don't have to. You could do it like that instead of putting it where it typically is, which is right in here. I can see it a little bit. I didn't use whiteout. Actually, I'm gonna alternate colors. All right, so I'm gonna put these headers down. This is my little tweezers here. Whoops, that ripped that up. I feel like since I've been working in Erin Condren planners this year, I've noticed that like stickers can be more forgiving in the petite planner. The paper in the petite is so smooth. It is so smooth. This one is a bit more textured like, so it doesn't, some of the stickers will kind of pop up, or the paper from the stickers will pop up. Does that make sense? I just know that using the petite, I can get away with like moving some stickers around without tearing the page. Let me know if you've experienced that. And then Sunday is Christmas. Oh, so cute. Okay, so now I need my numbers. I'm going to use these. I have my numbers and I scratched it. This is the thing with foil sometimes. It scratches the sticker. Alright, so we have our numbers down. Okay. I want to use this Merry Christmas and cover up this monthly right there. And then let's go with a checklist. These do have headers on them. Meeting, appointment, important goals, shopping list, meal plan, to clean, to do. I'm going to use these checklists. These are so pretty. I'm going to use these red bows here, and I'm just going to make a checklist with those for Monday through Thursday. Okay, So I have my checklist bows down Monday through Thursday. So like top 3 things that I will need to get done, whatever that may be. I don't really know. I'm kind of planning really early, but I think I can work with that because I'm planning early. I'm going to use this sticker for church service. I'm actually just going to put it right here in the center because I do want to leave a spot for dinner. And for dinners, I think I'm going to use, because I'm trying to just use this sticker kit. And I want to use these flags. And with these stickers, they are like super soft. So I have to use a permanent. I have to use a permanent pen. Sorry. So I'm going to move this one up just a little bit. Ah, I can hear it ripping. There it goes, ripping. Okay. So that's what I'm going to do for the rest of these. I'm going to use these little flags for dinners. Swap these two. This is so crooked. Oh my gosh, that's ripping a lot. So we have dinners down. I have a box for Christmas Eve service. We have our Merry Christmas sticker over there. Oh, I have these white. These boxes here are white. Okay, I'm going to use this one for under here for morning Christmas brunch. Okay. I'm going to add this cute little sleigh next to it. I'm going to add this cute little tree for Christmas Eve. Right there. And I'm going to add this little gingerbread house for this side actually, and I'll go ahead and put a box over there to remind me to pick some up. Or we may, yeah, we make them on Christmas Eve, so remind me to pick some up. I'm going to use the rest of these little cute icons. That I'm just going to put right here to fill in these spaces. Actually, I might put these up here. Ornaments should go on the top all the time. I don't know why. Okay, and then we'll put Jasper down here. Oh, I can't use some of the big decorative stickers. I have a lot of stickers left, that's for sure. I do have a deco sheet. It's in my folio here in the back. I don't know if I can use any of these because they are big stickers. And they do have that different color backing. Okay, I think up at the top here, I'm just gonna probably lay another washi down. I'm thinking about these Christmas lights. Whoop. Is that too much? I feel like at this point it doesn't matter, it's Christmas. You should use all the things. I feel like I want to use one more. Oh my gosh. We're gonna... That is a lot. Oh my gosh. I have that one, or no, not bows. I think I should do it. I'll just do it. And then I can probably fit this down here just to kind of even it out. I don't know. It's just what I'm telling myself. We sure did use some washi in this plan with me. Oh my gosh. I can add a little divider sticker from morning, evening. Or I have these gold ones. That ripped. I don't know if I want to do that. I am not good at planning way in advance, that's for sure. Let me know how far in advance do you plan? I have a hard time with that. Well, at least we have a foundation down, I think. I will leave these stickers, I can probably put them in the back folder. That way I can have them if I need to add more boxes or checklist or something. I could definitely use my little pens that I like using. But I think for now, that's my plan with me for this A5, because I'm just gonna sit here and play with all these beautiful stickers. And that would be a terrible plan with me, too long. Anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed this spread using all the washi. A lot of this is, well, all of this is Simply Gilded, except for the gingerbread. Those are Planny Thing. And I may fix this one because I thought I was going to overlap it. And so that's bothering me. And I may end up whiting that out. But, yep. I hope you guys have a wonderful Christmas week and a blessing to you and your family. And I will see you all in the new year. Take care, stay safe, and happy planning. Bye.